yun ang hinihingi ng impeachment court sa amin ay yung supposed compliance dun sa kanilang order for the submission of the certification, number one, certification that the House of Representatives did not violate the Constitution in regard to the one-year bar rule. And second, affirmation by the 20th Congress that they are still pursuing the impeachment complaint. Now, hindi po ito magiging cause ng delay sapagkat kahit mag-comply kami doon sa una nilang requirement, hindi pa rin kami makaka-comply doon sa second requirement dahil hindi pa nga nako-convene yung 20th Congress eh. Hindi naman pwede mag-comply doon yung 19th Congress sapagkat ang 19th Congress ang nag-approve ng articles of impeachment at nag-transmit ng articles of impeachment. So, ang ginawa ho ng House on the last day of their session, nagpass sila ng resolution in compliance with the certification, yung first requirement. Subalit, yung second requirement, yun ho ay ang magko-comply noon ay ang 20th Congress. So, wala hong delay na hindi kami ang cause ng delay. Yung kanilang order, yung resolution nila requiring the submission of these two, ang cause of delay because we cannot comply with the second. Wala pa ho yung 20th Congress eh. Pupunahin ko lang po. Yun ang utos doon sa order, hindi ho directed to the prosecution panel. Ito po ay directed to the House of Representatives. Ang inuutusan ng impeachment court ay ang House of Representatives. Number one, ang House is a co-equal branch ng Senado. Meron ng interparliamentary courtesy na dapat obserbahan din. Dahil ang order hindi naman sa prosecution eh. Number two, hindi naman kinakailangan ibalik nila yung articles eh. Kung ang hinihingi lang nila, yung unang certification. Yun ang articles of impeachment na transmit ng House of Representatives to the Senate, which is verified by the 214 congressmen who signed the articles. That is the compliance itself. Gaya ho ng ruling ni then presiding officer Juan Ponce Enrile in the on the occasion of the impeachment trials of the former Chief Justice Renato Puno. Nagruling ho dyan ang nasabing presiding officer. Sinabi niya, once the articles of impeachment has been transmitted and to the Senate and received by the Senate, there is now a presumption of legality and regularity. You can no longer question kung sinunod na ba, hindi sila pwede mag-impose ng additional condition, hindi nila na pwedeng usisain yan. Dapat yan, sila naman ang mag-comply ng kanilang mandato na litisin na itong articles of impeachment. So, ang hindi ho nga nagko-comply yung korte sa kanilang constitutional duty. Yun yung obligasyon ng House of Representatives, nagawa na nila eh, na-transmit na nga eh. So, they should not impose any other condition. Wala ho yan sa saligang batas, wala yun sa sarili nilang articles of rules, Senate rules on impeachment.